Steve Butella for Land Academy. We are finally launching a new product called Concierge. I personally have sent out thousands of mailers over the last 20 or so years and decided it's time to help others get their offer campaigns deployed right. Concierge is the first full-service, mail-ready data service of its kind. We pull the data for you according to your parameters, or you can upload your own data either way. Our mailers are fully scrubbed according to the Land Academy methodology, or whatever you want. Your scrub is fully customizable, so feel free to let us know anything that might be unique about your mailer. We can handle it all. I've done this thousands and thousands of times for myself. After scrubbing, our expert data team mines and assimilates market values for each zip code through data scraping and assigns each record with an accurate zip code specific market value. We include all of your personalized mailer information, add in complete pricing formula, and then send it right back to you for the final touch after you input the percentage of market value that you would like to offer on each property. And that's super easy. You just fill in one simple box. It's off in the mail. There's no better way to get the most accurate market value pricing out there. This is based on real, current data, removing all of the guesswork out of your mailer. You'll end up with a fully completed and ready to go mailer within 12 to 48 hours of checking out on the website. We take your mailer right down to the 5-yard line. You provide us with the pricing parameters and walk right into the end zone. Schedule a call with our team to learn more, or go ahead and check out Offers2Owners.com today. Thanks.